If you've been uploading your YouTube videos and immediately hitting that public button, you are making a massive mistake that is killing your views.
Oh, here we go. The big mistake. Is it the button, AJ? Is the public button lava? Does it give the computer a virus?
No, hecklefish. It's about the algorithm. If you go public instantly, YouTube doesn't have time to understand your SEO, your title,
or who your audience actually is.
Poor YouTube. It's so overworked. It needs a nap and a juice box before it can look at a title. It's a supercomputer, a J, not a toddler.
It's about processing, hecklefish. Today, I'm showing you the right way to upload so the algorithm pushes your content to the right people.
Fine, but if this involves networking or synergy, I'm out.
Step 1. Stop using the mobile app to upload. Use the desktop version of YouTube Studio.
You mean I have to open a browser? Like a caveman? What's next, AJ? Dial-up internet? A floppy disk?
Using the desktop version ensures the publish to subscription feed box is actually checked. If you use the app,
sometimes your subscribers don't even get a notification.
So the app is a traitor. I knew it. It's working for the lizard people.
Step 2. Understand your visibility options. Private is just for you. Unlisted lets you share a link for feedback before the world sees it.
Unlisted? You mean for the videos of me singing in the shower? Because the world isn't ready for those pipes, Jay. They'd be too intimidated.
Exactly. Now the biggest mistake is hitting public immediately. YouTube needs time to index your video.
Like showing me a video on how to eat sushi. That's a horror movie. A J. That's a snuff film for my people.
If you create football content but YouTube shows it to someone who hates sports, your click-through rate plummets. Right! Which brings us to the ultimate solution, the schedule tool. Hecklefish. Oh,
Look at Mr.
organized. I have a schedule. I have a calendar. I wear pants.
Scheduling is the best option for small creators. Don't schedule for today. Pick a date 2 or 3 days in the future. This gives the system enough time to study your video, match it with the right audience, and build momentum.
So I can upload 10 videos on a Monday, schedule them for the month, and spend the rest of the week at the track?
Exactly. It saves stress and lets you batch your work. By giving YouTube that extra window to process your metadata, you're ensuring that when your video finally goes live,
It hits the screens of people who actually want to watch it.
And if you don't subscribe to this channel right now, I'm going to find your unlisted shower singing videos and leak them to the dark web.
he's kidding. Mostly. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next growth tip.
Go on, click it unless you're a lizard person.
See you in the next on.
I'm watching you.
This video brought to you by DupDub AI.
And Narration Box AI.
You can start using DupDub and Narration Box today with a 3 days trial and get 50% off. The link is in the description.
Click now, I'm watching you. Click or I will clone your voice and make you sing karaoke.